This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn 4 shortcuts for working with formulas in Excel. By adding formulas and functions to your Excel sheet, you instantly gain access to a wealth of information regarding your data and can conduct complex calculations with ease. These shortcuts can help Excel beginners and even advanced users in their career. Firstly, you can autocomplete the function name using tab. For example, I'll write some words and after hit the tab, the formula will complete in the cell. You can copy the formulas into another cell. When you copy and paste the cell and then you press F4, the cell is pasted. However, when you press F4 again, the cell is not pasted. Pressing Ctrl AQ toggles between displaying cell values and formulas. As you can see, the formulas appear when these two keys were used. Finally, you can insert the formulas of the above cell into the currently selected cell or the formula bar using Ctrl apostrophe. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.